Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix this site can't be reached error in Google Chrome. So if you encounter this kind of error in your Google Chrome browser, this site can't be reached error statement, then what can we do in order to fix this? Let's go quick into the process. First is we need to make sure that there are no proxy enabled. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Internet Options. Click on Internet Options under the best match. Now here in the Internet Properties window, you need to locate the Connections tab, and here you'll find the Local Area Network LAN Settings. Click on LAN Settings button, and here you'll find Automatically Detect Settings. Make sure the button is enabled. Use a proxy server for your LAN. Make sure this is unchecked or do not check this box. Click on OK and then click on Apply. Click on OK. Next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type ncpa.cpl. It's ncpa.cpl control panel item. Simply click on that. Now here in the network connections window, you need to locate your connection. All you have to do is make a right click and then select properties. The same thing if you are connected to Ethernet, the same process. Here in the Wi-Fi properties window, you will find the Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. Click on properties. And here you'll find this option, use the following DNS server addresses. Click on that. So we are going to use the Google's DNS server addresses, one of the greatest DNS. So for the proper DNS server, type in here 8.8.8. It should be 8.8.8.8. So all number 8. And for the alternate DNS server, type in here 8.8.4.4. The same thing as what you can see on the screen. Click on OK and click on Close this windows. Then for the next method, we can also run some commands in the command prompt. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type cmd. Click on Run as Administrator on the right pane. Here, simply follow me for the commands. First command is ipconfig //flushdns. It's ipconfig //flushdns. Hit enter. Next command, ipconfig /release. Hit enter. Next command, ipconfig /renew. Hit enter. And for the last command, netsh winsock reset. Hit enter. Now you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Type exit, hit enter, and then finally make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And after that, you just need to open your Chrome browser again. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.